G'day everyone. So I've got the tripod built and set up around the fire. It's going quite well. We're doing a lot of work around the property, so I think it's time for some tea. As usual, I forgot my billy can, so I thought it was a good opportunity just to show you guys how I make myself a found objects billy can to make some delicious billy tea. So first thing you need is just a simple tin can. That's all. I personally prefer to take the cover off and throw it in the bin. Some people will burn it. I don't think that smells that nice, but hey, your choice. Pop that lid off. Make sure it's empty. Because this one time I didn't. Oh, here we go, a bit of Milo left in it. One time I left a bit of Milo in and had some very chocolatey tasting tea. Wasn't that bad actually. But we're making proper tea today. So get all that Milo out. Next you'll need a bit of wire. A coat hanger will do. If you've got fencing wire, that's even better. This is just going to make the handle and the hook to hold it on. Easy as anything. Just get your Leatherman, especially if you got the wave with the needle nose pliers. Just put in the groove and gently push in. Eventually it'll pierce it. There we go. Want the handle about that long. Okay, so when you've got the coat hanger, woo, simply stick it in, stick it up, and this is where I like to just get a little bit of surety by taking it around and outside the tin like that, so making a good hook. And if you want, you can push it back inside, make it a double hook, because you don't want it going anywhere when you're spinning it around. Alright, now to make the hook for the billy can. So I got the other end of the coat hanger. It's pretty simple. Just bend these wires down. Get your cord. Just make a hitch. Okay, I've lowered this tripod down a bit just to get my billy closer to the flames. So I want this tea as soon as possible. Great, we've got the water boiling nicely now. So you just get yourself some bushels. That's what we had lying around the house, and you get a good handful for yourself, good handful for Pete, and another one for the pot. You want to let that steep for a while. I'll be bringing it back to the boil just for a little while. You don't want to stew the tea. That would ruin it. Alright, we've taken the billy off. Only put it on for about 30 seconds when you've got the tea in. Just bring it back to the boil and let it go down so it's steeped nicely and it's smelling great. So now we do the old bushman's trick to get all the tea leaves to settle to the bottom. We swing the billy can. I do it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give it a couple of taps. Knock those tea leaves down to the bottom of the tin. Alright, good to go. I've drilled another little hole into the side of the Milo tin just to let the tea out. Stops any of the bigger leaves coming out as well. And one for Pete, even though he didn't do any work today. You having any sugar in your tea, Pete?
One, please.
Well, I didn't bring any.
Okay, none, thank you.
Okay, great. That was a well-deserved cup of tea. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, and if you want to see more videos, please subscribe. Remember to go outside and have some fun.